My name is Mike Sack. I'm the CEO of TerraCode. I'm coming to you from the cockpit of a Cirrus SR-22. I'm somewhere over Lakeland, Florida, at about 7,000 feet, en route to Miami. And I thought I'd take a minute and talk to you a little bit about some of the exciting Internet of Things, IoT projects that we work on at TerraCode. I just recently visited Houston, Texas, where we went to a secure server farm and we installed a series of sensors on the exterior cooling fans. These are large units that keep the environment where the servers run very cool. The sensors are actually designed to listen to the vibration of the fans and determine if a fan is failing. And if a fan is failing, we can send an alert to a technician who can go replace it to prevent downtime. When the fans go down, they actually have about 5 minutes before they have to shut down server functions. So it really needs to be responded to as quickly as possible. As much advance notice as we can provide for the fans saves time. So very exciting. We set up the system to work over Bluetooth, and then it connects over cellular to the cloud, and we have a dashboard that can report the status of all the sensors, the status of all the fans. We're actually using some fairly advanced artificial intelligence and data science to look at the data that we're hearing from these sensors, using an acoustic signature to determine what is failure and what signifies failure is coming, so that we can be predictive and prescriptive in the analytics for our customer. So just one of the exciting things we do at TerraCode to help our customers provide ongoing service with no downtime and no interruption. Thank you. And once again, coming to you from an SR-22, flying at 7,000 feet somewhere over Lakeland, Texas. Thank you.